Well, if my house blows up,
So why'd you buy such a thing that you're gonna blow
I
up?
know. What if it blows up? Then we're going to be in trouble. Oh my God!
Look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Ah,
Look how nice.
that's beautiful.
Yeah. Happy
Did you take a
birthday
picture?
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jenny. Happy birthday to you. Oh, that's
How many
cool.
more?
A
You,
lot more
you
of that.
can't reuse that now.
Nope.
No.
It's only what, for once.
Well, let it go around as much as you want to take the pictures.
That's
I think
it.
it's
Stop.
stopped. What?
It stopped already. It went around.
Let's see if you can blow it up.
That's beautiful.
Wow. Oh my God. You got them all.
You got good wind yet. My lungs are good.
See how nice?